Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. I did this Indian look for you today. I hope you like it as much as I do. I wanted to take a moment and say thank you to all my subscribers. It means so much to me that you have subscribed to my channel. And if you want to see how to achieve this look, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. For priming my face, I'm going to go ahead and take MAC's Strobing Cream in the shade Goldlite. I'm also going to go ahead and use a second primer. I'm going to use my Tarte Clean Slate. Just going to take it around my nose area and I'm going to fill in those pores. Take some on my forehead. Once that's pressed in, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and I'm going to go back into warm coral shade. I'm using Morphe 173 and taking it right under my eyes. You can skip this step if you don't have a dark under eye area. I'm also going to take it around my mouth. For foundation today, I'm going to go ahead and use my Laura Mercier in the shade Suntan. I'm going to take some on my tray. I'm going to apply my foundation using a damp beauty blender. I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and I'm going to go into the shade Chocolate. So I'm going to concentrate this color just right in this area. Take it up just a little bit. I'm going to take some right under my chin. For concealer, I'm going to mix the two shades in. I'm going to take the light medium honey and tan sand. I'm going to take the tan sand right around my eyes. I'm going to take light medium honey, concentrate it more towards the center of my face. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit so it lifts up my face. Gives it a more elongated look. To blend it all together, I'm going to take my beauty blender one more time and blend it all out. I'm going to take my translucent powder from Laura Mercier and I'm going to grab my setting brush from Real Techniques. I'm going to take it wherever I took the concealer and set our concealer. For my bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and use MAC's Give Me Sun. And I'm going to take this wide angled brush from Sonia Kashuk. I'm going to take it right where we took our contour. For my brow pencil today, I'm going to go ahead and use Benefit's Brow Pencil in the shade 4, and I'm going to do my brows off camera. I'm going to prime my eyes using this MAC Soft Ochre. I'm going to take some on my finger. For my eyes today, I'll be using this shadow and blush palette from BH Cosmetics. From the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm going to grab my Morphe 535 and take it all over my lid. With my Morphe 330, I'm going to go into this shade right here. Just going to take it in my crease. I'm going to take my Morphe 535 again and I'm going to go ahead and blend it out a little bit more. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take this shade right here. I'm going to take some on my finger, just going to press it on the lid. I'm going to grab Morphe 330 again and blend the two together. With my Morphe 503, I'm going to go into this shade right here. I'm going to take it right here and blend it almost to my brow bone. Next, I'm going to grab my Moondust palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to go into the shade Element, and I'm going to take it all over my lid again. Next, with my Morphe 408, I'm going to go into this shade right here, and I'm going to take it on my lower lash line. Next on my eyes, I'm going to take this Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Gold Goddess, and I'm going to press it in the middle of my eye, very lightly. For my eyeliner today, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty. I'm always so afraid to do my eyeliner on the camera. For my highlighter today, I'm going to go into the Artist Couture highlighter in the shade Glow Money. I'm going to highlight my brow bone. For my blush today, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here from the BH Cosmetics. I'm going to take my beauty blender over this blush just to blend it out a little bit more. I'm going to take my Morphe 501 and I'm going to grab my Urban Decay All Nighter and just spray a little bit on the brush. I'm going to go into my highlighter. For mascara today, I'm going to use my Loreal Lash Paradise. I'm going to line my upper lash line using the Sephora eye pencil. For my lips today, I'm going to go ahead and use Pat McGrath lipstick in the shade Full Panic. To finish it all up, I'm going to go ahead and use my Urban Decay all-nighter. And here's the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Ciao!